Hi, I'm Dave Young from CryptoCoin.News and this is Bitcoin this week. Bitcoin slow to recover. Indian banks suspend exchange accounts. Bali Crackdown on Bitcoin business. Pineapple Trust promises to match donations. Bitconnect crash and fresh ICO. An uneasy calm returns to Korean exchanges. After the rumours of a total ban on cryptocurrency trading in Korea caused a worldwide panic on the markets, government officials have been quick to climb down, describing it as only a potential measure. With a public petition gaining hundreds of thousands of signatures and still growing against any ban, banks have been quick to relax their limitations on accounts linked to trading. Also in the news is that China's OKCoin exchange may well be opening operations within the next 2 months in Korea. Bitconnect recently announced the closure of its lending and exchange platforms, citing regulatory pressure and bad press. As soon as the news became public, the coin crashed from just below the $300 mark to almost zero value. Many commentators in the cryptocurrency world have long described Bitconnect as a Ponzi scheme, and it has never been made clear how the company makes sustainable income for its investors. Bitconnect concentrates on virgin markets in Asia, usually looking for the less educated new investor with a high energy, high fervour sales pitch. As many sources were declaring the death of Bitconnect, Bitconnects, the exciting new ICO, was launched, almost identical to Bitconnect, obviously less the original investors and less their money. The Pineapple Trust, who we previously reported are giving away thousands of bitcoins to suitable charities, have extended their work in the field of MDMA to combat clinical depression. After giving a $1 million grant already, they are challenging the Bitcoin community that any further donations from the community they will match Bitcoin for Bitcoin. Other organisations lucky enough to get granted extra funds recently are anti-elephant poaching measures in Chad, the introduction and test of a universal basic income in Africa, and scalable health facilities in Nepal. The National Bank of Indonesia and police authorities are reported to be ready to crack down on businesses accepting Bitcoin payments in the holiday resort of Bali. After an initial investigation in December through social media, they discovered many businesses were advertising their ability to take Bitcoin payments, and are ready to crack down through inspection, enforcement and prosecution of such businesses who are not transacting in local currency. Local sources in India are reporting that several major banks have suspended the accounts of major cryptocurrency exchanges, citing suspicious transactions. This comes on the back of the announcement by the Ministry of Finance that cryptocurrencies should not be used and that Bitcoin was a Ponzi scheme. Recently, also, there was the threat of taxing transactions on exchanges at source and making the exchanges responsible for collecting the dues. After the recent collapse on the crypto market on January the 17th, taking Bitcoin down below $10,000, the currency has regained its strength, holding steady around $12,000. The surge has disappointed many, hoping for a bigger growth to offset the threat of a future correction in the short term and the bears dominating the market. I'm Dave Young from CryptoCoin.News. This was Bitcoin this week. Stay current, stay valid, stay tuned. Till next week.